Hi Udacity, this is Chetna. This is Siri, my friend.
Hello.
I'll be explaining her the mini project that we have as an assignment for the course Nano Degree. Okay, let's directly go let's go through about the project. The project name is Take a Break. I'm planning to do this using Python. For this, the project's desired output goes like this. Siri will be working for about 8 hours. She would need a break for every 2 hours, and the break time would be for about 2 minutes, which plays a musical video. So this goes like this. Open the browser, which is YouTube, which can be her favorite music, and wait for 2 hours and repeat this for 3 times, since the typical working hours is about 8 hours. So first you would want to download Python 2.7, which is the previous version of the latest version 3.0. So Python idle 2.7, it's a Python integrated development environment. And take a notepad and name it as take a break project, and the extension for the Python should be .py. Um, let's start writing a small program which accomplish these three tasks. First, we would want to open a browser which is Siri's favorite YouTube link. So for that, you just write a function, like open a function from the web browser.open, and give the link there. So this accomplishes the main task that we want Siri to take a break by watching a music. Then for if you just execute this in the Python idle, you would get an error saying that this function is not available. So in order for this to work properly, you have to open import browser. This is part of Python standard library. I would take you through Python standard library later. After this, you need to continue this for every 2 hours, right? So for that, you need to have a sleep time for about 2 hours. So since Python considers only seconds, you have to give it as 2 into 60, or you can just give it as 120 seconds. Just for you to understand, I made it clear it should be 2 into 60. Afterwards, we have to repeat this 3 times, which can be done using while loop. So declare 2 variables, which is total breaks equals 3 and break count, initial count would be 0. So in the while loop, just keep a count of this break count and repeat this for 3 times. So this accomplishes all these 3 tasks, which gives Siri a break every 2 hours for 2 minutes. Okay, let us discuss about the internal functions used in the program, which is web browser and time. Here we use 2 functions, which is time.sleep and web browser.open. So every programming language has its own standard library. For programmers to write program very easily, each programming language has its own functions. So here we use 2. Let's discuss about it. This is a web browser file, and this has a function def space open. Usually in Python we define functions using def space open. And yeah, I forgot to use this def ctime here, which gives you the current time to track on the current time. I didn't use it because of the less space. Okay, then def sleeps will allow you to give a break for about 120 seconds. So these things is happen internally, which the language is hidden from programmers. So that the process of hiding certain functions inside by automatically is done by Python standard library, which is called abstraction. To be precise, the idea of hiding details of functions is called abstraction. Thank you so much.